He's still baby. He got you. It's okay. I know it's cold up here. What you got? Ah! You was right. Okay, go back. You gotta go back. You lucky son of a gun. Oh, your lip. Put some Band-Aid on your lip. Oh, you gonna go over? Oh. Yeah. Put some Band-Aid on your lip, baby. The salt water. Jesus. He's out of here. You can suck it in. They got the rule or something. Suck it in. They got
You got my line? Yo. Oh, you got my line. Oh, you got his line still? Well, you got his line. Okay, well, I ain't that lucky. I want to see Santa Claus ring them jingle bells.
Oh, en el puentecito.
And you didn't catch anything. Come on, man. We're going to cut the fish in half. We catch it on the same two lines. That's good being a kid. Oh, thank you. I love chocolate. Go to your husband. I'm worried about it. EMS could be coming by. You hear the siren. He's gonna cry.
Yeah. I should have a picture. Is he almost done? Yeah.
You know that men are the worst. We are bad with pain. My phone is...
Você mandou foto ou você chamou aqui?
Oh, you got a... You got 𝐀𝐝𝐗? That's where he has white hair. That's where his name is. I got color here. He got a power that when he transforms, I should show him. I'm thinking about your husband. This is the hot spot, man. It's up here.
She did just one yesterday.
One in his stuff, man. Yeah, stuff. Hey. I'll keep going to church and pray.
Guys, support the channel. Get a video like, guys. Thanks for supporting the channel. Thank y'all. I don't know what did I do. Did I look like I locked the chat?